Hey everyone, it's Megan from Your Last Hurrah and thebridalencyclopedia.com. It's Christmas Eve, and I thought it was about time I say happy holidays to all of you and some super special people. If you didn't already know, I started a brand new wedding planning business this year, and it has been a whirlwind. Learning and creating and making things happen. The first kind of step that I had to take was building a website, and you need beautiful pictures for a website. Well, I had some awesome models work with me, some gorgeous, gorgeous people who rocked it. So I want to give a special thank you to Courtney, Vanessa, Joanne, Lindsay, and Carolyn for being gorgeous pinup girls. You guys were awesome. I also have to say thank you to my devilishly handsome gentlemen, Victor, David, Josh, and Alejandro. You guys looked amazing as well. Moving on throughout the year, I got to do my first full wedding. It was so exciting, so much hard work, and it super paid off because Shauna and Louie were so in love. Their wedding turned out rustic and beautiful and customized, loving. It was just a great time for family and friends to get together and celebrate their love. I really hope that everyone else can have a wedding as magical as theirs. The Bridal Encyclopedia is my brand new baby, 2 months old now. And if you haven't checked it out, what it is a blog where I go through and I talk about wedding trends, celebrity weddings, great deals, why things are the way they are. I also give great tips, so I can't really leave this holiday message without a great tip. It's for brides, grooms, family members, and everyone else. Put down the cell phone this holiday. It is so imperative that you give that loved one the attention that they deserve. So put away the tablet, put away the iPod, put away all the fancy gadgets, and just have a little one-on-one conversation and really catch up from the heart. Well, I'm going to have some awesome holidays. I hope you have some awesome holidays, and we'll see you in 2014. Mwah.